Good morning, friends. Okay, today I'm going to give a demo of ASIC 340. It's already given by me in my older videos, but today I'm going to give a short video of ASIC 340 and also camera installation. There are so many customers asking about the installation. I already prepared one video, but it is not a short video, I think. And also I had done that time a trunky camera only. Today I'm giving a demo of a license plate camera. So many customers are asking. Okay, now I am connected with Android Auto, not Apple CarPlay, with my iPhone. Okay, this is a short demo of Apple CarPlay connected. Then this is Bluetooth, again connected. The radio, you can see the scan button for scanning. Then media, okay. Media, you can select the source, SD card, USB, Bluetooth audio. Okay. In this stereo, the mic is situated over here. There are some players which have mic here and SD card here. So two types of players we are getting. Okay. So most players have mic on the middle, so that driver, if you are considering the driver seat, then the voice will be so much clarity here. Okay. In this video, I mainly preferred in order to show the reverse camera. Okay, I didn't connect it that much. I just connected the camera in order to, because even wire also staying here only. Okay, I will show you the detailed video of how to connect, etc. It is just a basic thing. It is same like whatever we are connecting in other cars, but there are some customer who's asking me, give me a short video so that they can give to the workshop or the other who are installing, so that they have free to do the thing. Okay, whenever we disengage the reverse gear, the screen will be here for another 10 seconds. It is a safety profile. When we can't able to change the safety profile, okay, then only it will come to the main screen. Okay, okay, now I will show you the detailed connection in the back side of the player. Okay, now I am disconnecting the Apple CarPlay. I didn't screw up the player. Okay, you can see in my car it is a cord lock to cord lock pin, so I connected with the cord lock to cord lock pin. My car is a comfort line model. Okay, so I connected cord lock to cord lock pin, and in the back side this is the camera profile. Okay, here we have to connect the camera by adding this pin. This pin in my catalog it is added. If you buy with the camera, this pin is free. If you are not buying, okay, this is the wire. Actually, this is, you have to take from inside from here, and you have to wire from this side, and then you have to pass the wire from this way. Actually, you have to put inside it. It's very simple. Okay, I'm not doing. Okay, I already have camera installed in my car, so this is just showing a demo. Then you have to pass from here to here, then you have to go over here, and then you have to come to the dicky portion. Okay, in dicky portion we have to pass from here. Okay, then the wire will come over here. On the back side you can see in the kit we have to take the positive connection and negative connection, ground. Then you have to connect to the, this is the camera kit. This is the camera kit. You have to connect whatever it is coming from reverse light. You have to connect over. Actually, camera pin consists of two pins, one red and one yellow. This yellow you have to connect from the wire we have taken from front to back. Okay, then this is the reverse positive line. Then you have to connect over here. Then camera we have to connect over here. Okay, in this spot we have to connect to the camera. Actually this is polo clip. Okay, I just taken a demo video only. You have to open this clip in polo it will be different. In Windows app you have to open Windows app Jetta. You have to open this clip and you have to insert over here and take the wire from inside. Then it will be hidden over here. You have to pass over here. Okay, then it will work. Only one thing you have to check that you have to close the dicky. Whenever you're checking the camera, you have to close the dicky. Okay, then you have to connect over here. This is short demo I just prepared in order to give to the customer who are very confused and also they don't know anything in basic, but these are the thing in common. Whenever you are considering any car, this is a common thing, but I am just showing as a I just prepared this video in order to give a detailed demo of to whom they don't know anything about the camera installation. Okay, thank you.